Short-term, faculty-led programming is becoming increasingly adopted by universities, and we aim to meet this rapidly growing demand by delivering individualized experiences with the highest level of academic integrity. We have a dedicated team in Europe that are seeking out the finest creative professionals and presenting houses, and then our US team brings those opportunities to the North American faculty. The breadth and depth of the London theatre scene is the envy of the world. And with select connections with the top drama schools and producing houses, we can make sure that we have you working with the experts, exploring backstage, and providing experiences that are sure to inspire. Perhaps it's a theater history tour to Italy or Greece that you're interested in, or a trip to ever-popular Prague and the Czech Republic. We work very hard to ensure seamless, enriching experiences where the students come home with a demonstrable academic benefit and a deeper understanding of their own work and the world around them.